People are going to live or work in these structures, and we want them to be built the way it's supposed to be built.
We look at our role as a life safety issue. We are driven by, first and foremost, the value of integrity and honesty.
The very first core value of this company is honesty and integrity. It goes before profitability, before anything else.
At Consolidated Engineering, as an inspection agency, our customers and the public and the building officials and the building professionals rely on our reports to be honest every time it comes out. We have to represent exactly what happened on the job, not pull any punches, not look sideways.
CEL's got a great reputation, and it's based upon how we act every day, how we interact with our clients, how we handle errors when those errors get made, and how we respond to those errors, and do we handle that with integrity.
The core values of CEL are second to none. Honesty, integrity are the values that we instill into our inspectors every day.
It goes back to honesty and integrity. What we tell our clients we're going to provide, we deliver on that. We give them exactly that, and if not more.
And integrity can mean many things, and in this case also structural integrity. Our clients have to rely on the information that we provide, the tests that we provide, the inspections that we perform, have to be provided in a timely and accurate fashion. And when you do that time after time, year after year, project after project, you develop a reputation. And that reputation is that Consolidated is an organization that can be trusted.
We actually assure public safety. It means that we make sure that a high-rise building in San Francisco will not crumble in an earthquake, and it will stand for many, many years as it is specified by the architect.
It's far easier to get repeat business by doing a great job and an honest job with a customer.
What keeps me motivated as a special inspector is I take the approach every day when I go to work. What if I had to live in this building? What if my family members came here every day? I would want to make sure that they were safe and that the construction was top-notch.
I feel the most important thing for inspectors and the culture that we have with Consolidated is making sure that the building is built to code and built for safety and being built properly.
Our motto, Think 12, is preached to the entire workforce, whether they're administrative, office staff, or out here in the field.
You know, we have a culture where we want to have everyone return home to their family safely and not get injured, and we live by that. We're not just interested in the bottom line and just getting stuff done, but we care about teamwork to create a culture where everyone feels respected and treated fairly.
Every day I look forward to coming to work. You know, you feel like you're part of something greater. The people here are wonderful. Everyone gets along.
Teamwork within CEL is not just within our departments, it's across the company.
In our business, we're at the cutting edge of construction. We have new products, we have new techniques, new construction standards, new building codes, and it takes a collaboration of a whole team between our engineers, our forensic engineers over in Oakland, our lab technicians.
I like working here. I like the people, the knowledge. Everybody's very knowledgeable. If you have any trouble, you can always call somebody.
I believe CEL is unique because of the interaction with the team members that we have. It's like a machine that has gears, but these gears are interengaged, and so it makes it go forward.
CEL's corporate values, there's so many. Well, one of the things I believe in is our quality. We are in the business of quality. You know, our inspectors are there to make sure everything is built right, and our laboratories are there to make sure the materials that they're using is to the most up par project requirements and specifications.
To measure quality and to apply metrics to it so that people understand it and can make decisions is one of our callings. It's really what we're authorized to do by the building code, by code officials, and by structural engineers and architects throughout the world.
On this project, we are having them stenciled at the shop, CEL OK. That lets us know that all inspections have passed at the shop, and more importantly, it lets our client know that the work that has been performed is quality.
growth of CEL, some of it's contributed to the amount of work that we've been successful at winning or being awarded. But at the same time, it's the relationships that we've built out there with clients and potential clients. They keep wanting us back, and therefore we've had to expand our staff within the office, outside of the office, within our field staff, and even our outlining offices.
Consolidated Engineering Laboratories is the premier provider of special inspections and material testing.
We are always growing. We're always very passionate about being ahead of inspection and testing industry. You know, we hire a lot of engineers, young guys like me, to help lead that charge.
We recently received an award for technological innovation in a mobile workforce. It definitely makes our work very efficient. I would say we are ahead of most of our competitors in that area.
Some of our competitors have developed systems that require an online-only connection, for example. So when they're in remote areas or areas that have a bad internet connection, they can't use their application. So we've developed a paperless system for our inspectors, so we can go from the field on an iPad and process all the way through the system, engineer, review, all the way to client notification and eventual client download of reports on our e-report system. We went from a 2-week general turnaround with approved engineer reports to being able to do a 24-hour turnaround. It has revolutionized our industry. We've seen a lot of our competitors trying to duplicate a lot of what we're already doing, and so we continue to innovate and revolutionize and change the system. So we have validation, and we make sure that things are filled out properly, and it makes our accuracy rating much higher.
At CEL, we are not the low-cost leader. However, we are the value leader. We provide our customers with unparalleled customer service at a fair price.
We aren't necessarily the cheapest company, but we're the best.
If we do our job right, if we treat people with respect, if we hold true to our word and we do high quality work, the profitability is a natural fruit. If we do our job well, if we keep our clients happy, our clients are going to come back to us time and time again. Profit is the natural result and fruit of our core values.